Hey, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today, I'm going to answer a question. This is not a question from a regular viewer. This is a question from an attorney named Carol. Carol is a personal injury attorney, and she was kind enough to give me what I thought was a very good and insightful question that has to do with personal injury law and workers' compensation law. This is a question that I get again and again and again from my own clients, and it's something that I think if you're an attorney or if you are a client or a plaintiff or a claimant in a personal injury case, this is something that I think is really good to think about. So basically, Carol said to me, I have a client with a workers' compensation case resulting from some pretty serious injuries. My client wants to know, can I start working out at the gym again, or should I wait until my case is over? And so Carol, here's the bottom line is there's no right answer to this question. The standard advice that a personal injury lawyer is going to give their client is, while you have a case open, don't do anything that would look bad when the insurance company gets it on video. However, that is not the advice that I give to my clients. What I say to my clients is basically this: you have to live your life, and your health and your happiness is primary, and your financial remuneration is secondary. And so if for your mental health, if for your physical health, if for your overall happiness, you need to go to the gym and work out and get back to life, then do it. However, recognize that you should not do anything in your legal case that is inconsistent with what you do in your personal life. So for example, if you're making a claim for injuries, and part of that claim is that you're saying, I cannot return to work, but you're going to the gym and you're working out, recognize that if what you're doing in the gym is inconsistent with your claim of disability, it's going to negatively impact your credibility, and it's going to ruin your case. Or if you're going to a deposition or a hearing and you're testifying, I cannot lift my arm overhead due to my shoulder injury, but the insurance company has you on videotape in the gym doing overhead presses with 10-pound weights, realize that's going to significantly impact your credibility, and it's going to ruin your case. So my standard response to my clients is, you do you. You live your life the way you need to live your life. You do the things that you need to do for your health, your welfare, for your happiness. However, never say anything, never make a claim in an injury case that is inconsistent with the reality of the situation. If the reality of the situation is that you can go to the gym, then the next question is, can you go back to work? If the reality of the situation is you can do overhead presses now, even though you have had shoulder surgery, do not go into a deposition and say to the defense lawyer, I can't lift my hand over my head. You want to be consistent, you want to be credible, you want to be truthful and honest, and that's the most important thing. So that's my advice to my clients. Carol, I hope that you find this video helpful. Feel free to show it to your clients, and that will spark the conversation. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. I'm a personal injury attorney. I handle personal injury legal cases and workers' compensation cases, and I'm with the law firm Schwartz & Schwartz. We're based out of Dover, Delaware, covering the Mid-Atlantic region. If you have a question for me, send me an email, ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. Thanks for watching.